Hello, I'm Robert Musime from the Open and Design Department at Kabale University. I'm here to take you through how to import your content from a previously taken course. So if you've taken a course before and you've taught it, you have information on the platform, you can be able to import it the next time you're teaching the course, maybe at the start of the next academic year. And that process helps you to speed up in case you want to change your content, to add new material in there without having to start from zero. So let's get started. You need to log into your platform at elearning.kab.ac.ug. And once you've logged in, then the next thing you have to do is within your account, there is what we call the My Courses menu on the top left, and it is highlighted in red. So under My Courses menu, you find your new courses or the courses that are active. Okay, so we call them active or courses in progress. So when you tap on My Courses menu, you will see all the new courses. For example, I have a new course called Research in Computing. So this course, when I open it, it's empty. It's empty, it has no information. But I know I taught this course before in a previous semester or a year before. So if I need to use the content of that year in this particular year or this semester, all I have to do is I'll open this empty course. So in this empty course, all I have to do is I have to look for the course administration settings, which appear in the left section. So under course administration, I will locate what we call import. I'll just tap on import. So I'll go to import, and then the next thing I will see is most probably the course you taught before will appear under this section. So for me, I will assume that mine is not there, but I know I taught it before. So all I have to do is search for it. I'll just input the code. For example, I taught it and it is RMC 1100, and I go to search. Then I realize, oh, there's maybe I can't find it. I will continue, go back through the same process. What you do is you have to search for the course that you taught before on the platform in a particular semester or a particular year. So you type, for example, I will type RMC 1100, and then I go to search. I go to search, and then the results are showing me that I taught it in 2022, then I taught it in 2023. So if that is what I need, then I'll select the one that I think I did well. For example, I'll take the one of 2022. I'll select it, and then I tap on continue, the button in red. So there are a number of options at the bottom. Do you want to take everything? I would say you take everything, then you can clean it from the other side. So what you will do is, from the options given, there's jump to final step, there's cancel, there's next. So I'll choose jump to final step, and then the platform will import everything from that particular course unit that you taught before to this new one. So it will take a few minutes, say not even a minute, a few seconds, maybe a maximum of 1 minute. And then the information you get, import complete. Click to continue to return to the course. So when you click continue, you are returning to the new course, the one that was empty, and we've imported content into it. So once you're here, you can go through the material, and maybe a quick one. What you need to do is the activities. You may need to hide some of these activities here because it's a new course and you may not want your students to see the activities before you clean them up or change them up. So here what you need to do is maybe go to turn on editing at the top right. You can tap on turn on editing. So when you go to turn on editing, then you have the ability to find an activity. For example, an assignment. I have an assignment 1, assignment 2. I can go to the settings of that particular assignment. I tap, then I go to edit settings. And once I'm there, then I can check the settings, check whatever information is there. I can edit it if I want. I can change the dates to suit the new semester under the settings of that particular assignment, etc. And if I'm confident with the changes, then I have to save and return to course. I may also maybe check through any other items any other items. I tap on the settings. For example, there's another assignment 2, and I choose hide. I don't want the students to see it. Then I choose hide, and then you see hidden from students. And I may say, okay, maybe assignment 1 should be open as they start. But if I don't want, still, I can go back to the settings. I tap settings and I choose hide. Then the students won't be able to see these particular activities until when a particular time when I want them to see. Then I can come back to the same settings and then choose unhide or show. Okay, just come back to settings and you choose show as opposed to hiding it from the students. Yeah, so once you're done with changing the settings, you can go back at the top and you turn off editing. Turn off editing, which is still in the same location at the top right. You turn off editing so that the page is in a format that won't be able to edit anything within your course. Something else you may want to do as a lecturer is to maybe update your profile. So at the top right, you will see your name. You can tap on your name and then you get a pop-up. You tap the profile. So when you tap profile, somewhere around user details, you'll see the edit profile button. Edit it. Then scroll. Choose edit. Then scroll down. Check through the information. For example, description. You talk about yourself. And then fill any other information. Use a picture. If you don't have a picture, you could add a picture here from one of the pictures in your gallery, or you may go to the website and then choose a picture, add it here. Then there is other additional information. There is option information like the institution, the department you are teaching in, your mobile phone number, your address, etc. You could be able to fill that information, and once you're done, you come at the bottom and then choose update profile, and you're done. Then once you're done, you can optionally log out or decide to go back to the dashboard by either clicking on the logo on the top left, or you can choose to tap on the dots. There are a number of dots here near the logo. They will give you a number of options. For example, you want to go back to the dashboard, etc. within your platform. If you have any other questions, you can contact us at elearning.kab.ac.ug. Thank you.